Right, so we are now on to topic 5, energy changes. It's quite a nice topic, it's nice and short, there's nothing hugely challenging in here. So what we need to be able to do by the end of this topic is we need to be able to describe how energy is transferred to or from the surroundings during a chemical reaction. Okay, so we're talking about increases and decreases in temperature. We need to be able to define them as exothermic and endothermic reactions. Okay, we need to give a few examples of everyday uses of exothermic and endothermic reactions. There's a required practical in the middle of this. We will most likely do that at the end, again, which is investigating changes in temperature over time in a chemical reaction. We need to be able to sort of talk about activation energy, okay, and talk about collision theory in terms of how much energy reactions need in order to react, and that ties in with reaction profile diagrams, and these are sort of diagrams that represent the relative energies of our reactants and products, and you can use them to justify reactions being exo or endothermic, and you can also talk about activation energy in terms of the energy that the reactants need in order to successfully collide and become the products. And finally, what we need to be able to do is calculate energy change of a reaction using the energy of the bonds, okay, the energy of the bonds in the reactants and the energy of the bonds in the products, and using those values to calculate the overall energy change of the reaction. Okay, but that is it. It's a nice short topic and we should be able to get through it reasonably quickly.